Building wealth from scratch may feel like a monumental task, especially with the challenges of rising living costs, inflation, and economic uncertainty. But here's the good news. Wealth is not about luck. It's about strategy, discipline, and smart choices. Whether you're fresh out of college, recovering from financial setbacks, or simply starting late, 2026 offers unique opportunities to grow your net worth faster than ever. From innovative financial apps and platforms to easy access to global investments, the tools to build wealth are at your fingertips. Wealth isn't just about making money, it's about managing it, growing it, and protecting it. With the right mindset and approach, anyone can create a life of financial freedom and security, even starting from zero. Today, we will talk about how to build wealth from scratch in 2026. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Start with a solid financial foundation. The first step to building wealth is creating a strong financial foundation. Think of it like constructing a house. Without a stable base, everything else can collapse. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Track all your income and expenses meticulously, even small daily purchases, because they add up faster than most people realize. Use apps, spreadsheets, or simple journals to keep everything organized. Next, create a realistic budget that ensures your essentials are covered, while also prioritizing debt repayment and savings. An emergency fund is critical. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses or more if you have an unstable income. This fund is your safety net and prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans during unexpected crises like medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden unemployment. If you carry high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, personal loans, or payday loans, make it your priority to pay them off. High-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth because it grows faster than most investments. Consider the debt avalanche or snowball method to tackle it efficiently. Remember, before you start investing or seeking opportunities, your financial house must be in order. Master the art of budgeting and saving. Budgeting is no longer just a restrictive tool, it's a strategy to unlock financial freedom. In 2026, technology makes budgeting easier than ever. Apps like YNAB, Mint, or even automated bank tools can track your spending in real time, categorize your expenses, and even suggest ways to save. Start by understanding your spending habits. Are you spending more on coffee, subscriptions, or takeout than you realize? Small adjustments can free hundreds of dollars a month. Automate your savings so that a portion of every paycheck goes directly into savings or investment accounts before you even see it. This ensures consistency and prevents impulsive spending. A popular guideline is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. But in reality, if you're serious about building wealth fast, aim to save at least 30 to 40% of your income by cutting unnecessary expenses and redirecting that money into investments. Remember, in wealth building, consistency often matters more than the amount. You need to make saving a habit. Invest early and wisely. Investing is the fastest way to grow your wealth over time thanks to compound interest. Even small contributions now can grow exponentially over decades. In 2026, the investment landscape is more accessible than ever, with platforms allowing fractional shares, low-cost ETFs, real estate crowdfunding, and cryptocurrency investments. Start by understanding your risk tolerance and goals. For beginners, low-cost index funds or broad market ETFs are often the safest bet. They provide diversification, reduce risk, and historically deliver steady growth over the long term. If you're willing to take on more risk, consider individual stocks, real estate investments, or even digital assets, but always conduct thorough research and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs are essential. They offer tax advantages, long-term growth, and in the case of employer-sponsored plans, free matching contributions. Even if retirement seems far away, starting early can make a massive difference. Compound interest doesn't just reward big deposits. It rewards time and consistency. Side hustles and multiple income streams. Relying on a single income source can limit your financial growth. To accelerate wealth building, create multiple income streams. In 2026, opportunities abound. From freelancing and content creation to e-commerce and online teaching. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Etsy, and YouTube allow almost anyone to monetize their skills, hobbies, or passions. And a side hustle does more than generate income. It provides flexibility, security, and the ability to funnel extra money toward investments or debt repayment. The goal is to create additional cash flow that works for you instead of simply increasing your spending. Over time, these income streams can even become passive, creating long-term financial stability. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Taxes can be a silent wealth killer if not managed correctly. In the US, accounts like Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, 401ks, and health savings accounts, HSAs, offer powerful tax advantages. Contributions to traditional accounts reduce your taxable income today, while Roth accounts allow for tax-free growth in the future. Maximize employer contributions to retirement plans. It's essentially free money. For self-employed individuals, consider solo 401s or SEP IRAs, which allow higher contribution limits. Understanding tax advantage strategies and optimizing your accounts can save thousands over your lifetime, freeing up more money to invest and grow your wealth. Social Security, what to expect and how to plan around it. Social Security is a critical pillar of retirement planning, but it should not be relied on as your sole source of income. In 2026, Social Security faces sustainability challenges due to the aging population, so planning around it is essential. Check your Social Security statement regularly to understand projected benefits. Delaying your benefits past full retirement age can increase your monthly payout significantly. Combine Social Security with other retirement savings, investments, and income streams to create a diversified retirement strategy. Treat Social Security as a supplement, not the foundation, and you'll avoid shortfalls in retirement. Smart spending and lifestyle choices. Building wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you spend. Avoid lifestyle inflation, which happens when your expenses grow as your income grows. Focus on spending that adds value or helps generate more income, such as education, courses, or business tools. Track discretionary spending carefully. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook at home more often, and avoid impulse purchases. Over time, even small intentional spending decisions compound into significant wealth growth. Remember, money saved is money you can invest, and invested money grows faster than money left idle. Continuous learning and financial education. The financial landscape changes constantly, so ongoing education is vital. Read books by experts like Robert Kiyosaki, Dave Ramsey, or Susie Orman. Listen to financial podcasts, follow reputable personal finance blogs, and take online courses on investing, entrepreneurship, and money management. Understanding financial strategies gives you confidence and reduces costly mistakes. Knowledge allows you to spot opportunities, mitigate risks, and make informed decisions about investments, debt management, and business ventures. In 2026, with so many tools and resources available online, financial literacy has never been more accessible. Build a long-term mindset. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, discipline, and consistency are key. Focus on long-term goals instead of chasing short-term gains. Automate your investments, regularly review your progress, and stay committed to your financial plan. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. They rarely work and often result in setbacks. Remember, small, consistent actions over months and years lead to exponential growth. Compound interest, smart investments, and careful spending can turn even modest income into substantial wealth over time. Protect your wealth. Once you start accumulating wealth, protecting it becomes just as important as growing it. Adequate insurance, health, life, disability, and property prevents catastrophic losses that can wipe out years of hard work. Estate planning, including wills and trusts, ensures your wealth is passed on efficiently and according to your wishes. Now, if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.